Hi, just quickly recording this, continuing the subject of monetizing creativity. Um, what I was saying is that although it is difficult, it is doable, requires a structure and dedicated effort. And as you can see, the best example of all this is the Tesla. I always say that because uh, with with a drive you can do so many things. Not that uh, it is something which is not safe, but what I'm saying, it's doable, provided you stay within the limits approved by Tesla, the guardrail of Tesla. And if you take that as an example and then start building your apps to it, more in the next one.
The NJ node is up, and Ripheus is the first AISP for ClusterTech America LLC.